This video demonstrates operating details of device management. First, let's take a look at the management of device model. Click Add, input device model name, choose the corresponding JSON file, and confirm. You have a device model entry. You can update and delete it. In HDMS, firmware and resources are both stored in the form of groups, so you need to create groups first. Enter the group, click Add, input firmware name, firmware version, and supporting model. The models listed here are the ones that created before in model management. After selecting the corresponding file, confirm, and you have a firmware entry. Meanwhile, you can update, delete, download, and push. The devices listed here only include the ones that are supported by this firmware. Tick and confirm, then it is pushed. Similarly, let's see resource group. After entering the group, click Add, choose resource type. Input resource name, choose the file, and confirm. You have a resource entry. You can update, delete, download, and push. The devices shown here are all the devices under this HDMS user account. Tick and confirm. The resource is pushed. Override Mac config and push means to change the configuration in Mac configuration after pushing. Please check out our video, Config Management, for operating details. Now let's take a look at device list. Click Add, input device name, choose device model, and input the Mac in the correct format. After Sync RPS is enabled, the default configuration server path of the device will be redirected to the management system. This URL will override the redirection address that HDMS sends to RPS. After selecting profile and account, then confirm, you have a device entry. You can also delete, import, export, download template, sync RPS, cancel sync RPS, config sync RPS, and do even more operations like push config file. In here, you can choose to update CFG by model template or to update CFG by factory. Also, you can choose to execute at once or choose timing to do it at set time. Likewise, you can push resource, push firmware, enable DND, cancel DND, send message, reboot, as well as reset to factory. Click the area under Status. You can check account status on this device. In the Operate area, you can update, delete, jump to device diagnosis, check detail, and let it join blacklist. In device blacklist page, you can retrieve it.